Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We will be giving you a full tour of a property that was partially presented. This 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home was built in 2020 and boasts clean lines and high ceilings. The house sits on half-acre of level, well-fruited land and has separate helpers' quarters and gardeners' quarters, along with a storage cottage. As soon as one walks in, you will notice the high 24-feet ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and 34 inches porcelain tiles. This luxurious, modern house features soft monochromatic palettes, large chef kitchen, and the large rooms. Each bedroom is ensuite, and the house boasts a large walk-in closet for the master bedroom. The spacious back patio is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing after a long day of work. The house has 3 electronic covered garage. The house is equipped with 5 dog kennels, located in a central location. You are close to all the modern conveniences of shopping, restaurants, and schools. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.8 million or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.